Hey you guys, so today I'm back with another video. I haven't been here because I've been gone with my sister, Adriana, and today I'm making slime out of ice cream, and it's so weird. So let's get into the video. So I'm mixing it up in this bowl. I already put all the other stuff in there and stuff, so yeah. So let's just if it works. Comment down in the below section, do y'all dare me to eat this? Give this up to 10,000 likes. See, look at that. They won't stretch yet. Man, it's sticking on my finger. Looks weird. Well, I have to go get some water, so I'll be back. I'm back, and I got the water up in this little cup. Ooh. See, it becomes watery, because I already got some up there. I'm back. Well, I couldn't find it, and now it's turning into bubbles. It smells like strawberries. Smell it. Get a good whiff. See? I'm not a good person holding the camera, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Nana, why are you messing with her stuff? I really don't care.
What you do?
Nothing. What she said? I'm making slime.
And you broke the shelf.
She broke your bottom one.
No.
The one with the toe on it.
Oh yeah,
Move the toe.
I broke it.
Move the toe.
What you trying to get?
She was trying to get something. I was trying to see if your slime was up there.
It's right here. And what you doing with my slime? You don't need my stuff.
I wasn't not going. Y'all irritating. I ain't even making it because it won't even work. So you don't think you're supposed to be doing that. Well, you guys, that was a fail because my sister just told and she's annoying. And so, bye.